It's a beautiful day today with you. It's a rainy day today. It's a rainy day. It's a beautiful day today with you. It's a beautiful day today with you. With you. Morning everybody, what's up? So for today's video guys, we're gonna get a bamboo shoot because we're gonna cook something for that, and join with us. Thank you. The bamboo shoots here is just like a year from Junjun's house. We don't know what we're gonna cook, what will be the recipe. Nada. You gotta be careful. Be careful when you go in the near the bamboo because there's a lot of spike, and also maybe there's a snake. I mean, there's a lot of bamboo shoots, but it's some are big, some are really small. There's a bamboo shoot there. We cannot use it because it's already dead. Look, you cannot use that. The jungle woman is in the jungle. We're gonna go in the other bamboo tree because there's nothing in there. This is where we put the goats sometimes so that they can eat. There's a lot of bamboo shoots here. Your Englishman is not Englishing because he's not drunk, or he didn't drink a alcoholic drinks. That's the Englishman, English speaking man. No? He's totally shy if he's not drunk or didn't drink alcoholic drink. This is the view here. If there is a lot of rain, there is a lot of water. You're gonna walk here in the water because there's no space where there is no water. This water is just a little bit before. We need to use a like a we need to build a small boat here if there's a lot of water here, if it's really raining. This is the life of Jan Jan and Flo Flo. Survival. Huh? May bunga eh. Always extra careful when you are in the water, because we don't know if if that water is you know that's dirty. After you walk in that water, we must need to wash our feet with soap so that there is no infection. This is the life of a village or someone like who live in the countryside. We don't aim, or we didn't wish that we will live here, but always we need to move forward. No one aim to have a life like this, but we're gonna survive fighting guys, says fighting, survive. Maybe soon. Huh? Diba kaunon man eh? Magkaan? Ha? Da? Ah, shit. This is sound like a fruit. This one, this is so sour. Oh, this is your English speaking man.
Hey guys,
English adoy.
I don't speak English.
Throw some red doors, guys. Then he will gonna speak.
Sponsor breeders dia.
It's been minutes since since we go here to find a bamboo shoot, but we didn't get anything. We need to go in another place again because we need to find a bamboo shoot. So many trash here. Trespassing. Ah! This is just near from the house. We're gonna get a ano sa English? Ano? I don't know what's the English but one, but it's a sabana. This one. Ah, guyabano, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's guyabano. I think there's nothing in there. It's too many ants.
Kurito na to?
Doon kay Gon. Hmm? There's a papaya here. I think it's overripe. We're gonna walk here. Maybe there's something we can get. This is not ours, guys. This is the neighbors. Ah, too many mosquito. The bamboo shoots. Here. Kana dyan, two. I think that's three. That one. And this one. And that T. It's three. Sige. So many mosquitoes. That's the bamboo shoot that Jan got. Later, we're gonna get the other one also. We bring a bag. You're gonna peel the skin of that. Same as the bamboo heart. Bamboo banana heart. Get the mature one and left the baby one. Oh, grabe raglam ko.
dahon ba ito?
There's a lot of spikes there because you know bamboo here in the Philippines, too many spikes, and even it's too small, it can hurt you. Same as love, it will hurt you. That's a big bamboo shoot. That's the big one. Two are small, but this one is the big one. When you get the mature one, or the skin of that, it's getting smaller. It's not big anymore. This is the house. This is the house. Jadi tadi oh, diba? This is the bamboo shoot that we already cut it into pieces. I'm already finished this one. So like Janjan is boiling water because you're gonna put that later. Before we cook that into what recipe that we want, we need to boil that first. I think 30 minutes or 20 minutes like that. Ay, gara. It's not yet cooked, guys. Still boiling. It's already done. We're gonna cook it in our recipe. Already boiled. You're gonna add the garlic and the onion. The bamboo shoot.
Ano sa nina? Pero ba ito biolog mo kasi?
Ibot ang nag-try ko.
Ano sabi mo? Edward, sige na, tulungan mo na kami. Papatayin mo yung lolo ko. Ikaw na makakatulong sa amin. Ano bang gagawin ko? Kaya nga ikaw ang pinuntahan namin dito. Kasi ikaw ang lalaki. Tapos ikaw magdadaan ang gagawin namin.
Magic sarap.
Ano na yun sa terrace? Nagpapahangin doon sa nagpapaanto. Eh kasi pumasok na lang tayo eh. Halika na. Sisirahan na ba kayo ng ulo? Ba't hindi na tayo magsumbong sa mga polis? Para naman maniniwala sila sa amin. Eh ba't ikaw maniwala sa sinasabi sa Niket? Eh paano yan? Ba't talaga papatay niya si Lolo? Sasagot kasi niya. Ano pagkakain? Hindi ka na siya.
Gada ko noong kutsara da. So very fast. We need more patis. Patis. Victory. Kilid.
Parat guys.
Purot. Hisod. It's not salty. It's delicious. Gab! Kauna! Sige din. Gabran!
Ayan, kau na dyan.
Nadira!